we work a lot with Citrix, but what we've done is we want to put the entire stack together. And the way to do that is through these other companies. So Citrix, they put this great program out, Citrix Ready. IGEL reached out to us, and we reached out to IGEL literally at the same time. We want to complete the stack, not just from the data center, but to the end user too. And IGEL just fits that bill perfectly. Yeah, they have the same kind of message as we do. We've been trying to tout simplicity, 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 and I hear that word a million times. But then when I start looking at it, it's not a simple environment. There's so many pieces to put in place, and with IGEL, they're touting that same kind of message too. And another thing, another S word I guess, is security. Security for us has been a huge deal from the get-go. With IGEL, you put that in there too. Security is their big mantra. It just makes a perfect fit. So with IGEL, it was great with Simon. He actually provided me one of his UD pockets, and he gave me a live demo right away and showed me, and exemplified how secure it was. And for me, showing that quick demo and within a 10-20 second little bit that he had, for me kind of proved that point. We have a recent customer actually, they were looking to solve a problem of, it actually was around simplicity and security. They were trying to see that they were finding out there's so many different parts in building a secure environment. And so naturally they started off with Citrix, which is great, but then they started to see what they're going to run on top of that and where their end users are going to run on too. And it's all about the end user, making them happy. So naturally they looked at Citrix. They started putting in the pieces of the puzzle that they needed. And luckily, we're really great partners with Citrix because we put out that secure kind of simple mantra that they have. And then we started to put in where else can we go for the end user computing piece of it. And that's where IGEL fit in perfectly. They're able to work with their existing environment, so there's no kind of disruption at all, and really deploy that out. And I think it was a matter of days rather than weeks, months, or however long it normally takes. So I was at our own .Next conference in New Orleans, and what was amazing is I actually heard specific examples of trying to make a simple and secure environment, and IGEL's name actually came up, which is great because they had to pick and choose between Citrix Synergy and .Next, but it's great they had a presence over there based on word of mouth alone. So seeing that kind of through the customer, through casual conversations, that's when it's working.